Human civilization has progressed with every generation because each generation following their ancestors adds something new to the progress. The best of humans pay back to their parents and their earlier generation, which nurtured them in their lives and careers. Following this universal human quality, the students of Allama Iqbal Medical College, who are now highly qualified doctors and earning their living in North America, decided to pay back to their country, their hospital and their successors, and thus AIMKANA, Allama Iqbal Medical College Alumni Association of North America, was formed. They firmly deemed that save a life, save the whole world. Keeping this axiom, the AIMKANA was structured in 1997 by the alumni of Allama Iqbal Medical College, serving the students of Allama Iqbal Medical College and the patients of its affiliated Jinnah Hospital is its main aspiration. One of its most major achievements is the setting up of Jinnah Allama Iqbal Institute of Diabetes and Endocrinology, also called the JID. Unfortunately, there is no separate unit available in the government hospitals for the treatment of diabetes and endocrine disorders. AIMKANA arranged special setup of independent diabetic and endocrine disorder treatment unit at the Jinnah Hospital for outdoor patients, as a ratio of diabetes in Pakistan has increased up to 11% of its overall population. This project was completed in a short span of time and was launched on November 2009 on World Diabetes Day. AIMKANA has made visible effort for setting up of complete facilities at outpatient chemotherapy infusion suite of oncology department at Jinnah Hospital, and the cancer patients are now getting their treatment done in a more comfortable atmosphere. Since both male and female patients get their chemotherapy infusions in the same hall, another similar chemotherapy infusion suite is being set up by AIMKANA separately for female patients.
अच्छी ट्रीटमेंट कर रहे हैं, अखलाक भी अच्छा, अगर दवाई अपने पास ना हो तो फिर ये देते हैं, अपने पास से देते हैं.
It is AIMKANA's project which has been highly appreciated by the people and doctors for its utility, usefulness and effectively providing good endocrine and diabetes care to the public. I believe such projects do enhance the standing of AIMKANA amongst its peers as well as the public of Pakistan.
जब हम इधर आते हैं ना, यकीन करें इन लोगों के प्यार, शफ़क़त और ख्याल की वजह से ना हम अपना बहुत ही हल्की बीमारी समझना शुरू हो जाते हैं.
AIMKANA, I would like to really thank you for the wonderful job you have done in our department. The chemotherapy room is fully functional now and doing a great job for our patients. They are extremely happy, but they would also like if we could have a separate room for the females, which currently we don't have space for. We are averaging about 30 to 40 chemotherapies a day, and patients are extremely comfortable. We would like to expand the chemotherapy room and also have a hood for preparation of the drugs, which we currently do not have. One of the most important things with which you can help us out is education of our postgraduate students. Due to the current situation in Pakistan, it is very difficult to send our students abroad for further training. And as such, this gap needs to be filled by you guys. And I hope and pray that you can succeed in this, because the future generations can only give benefit to our country. And the more they learn, the more they're educated, the better doctors they will be.
Moreover, AIMKANA has spent a handsome amount of fundraised money to provide a CTG machine, which doctors have found very useful and has served numerous patients. They have also provided 35 canvas-covered patient mattresses to the gynae ward of Jinnah Hospital, where the patients had to face serious problems of sharing their beds with other labour patients.
We are thankful to AIMKANA for coming through for our patients. When we needed mattresses, they were there and provided them in a fairly small amount of time. When we needed CTG machines for our patients, AIMKANA came through and supplied us in a very short span of time a CTG machine. However, the needs are still there. We want MKANA to come through again and provide us with another CTG machine for our patients and for all the other people. MKANA is on board for us, but we need your support as well. Please do come and support these poor patients in their strive for health.
AIMKANA has kept high focus on the issue of maintenance of the Medical Institute. Uplifting of Doctors' Reading Room and Library at Jinnah Hospital is one of such services provided by AIMKANA. Considering the deplorable condition of the Doctors' Library of the hospital, AIMKANA also made efforts for its renovation.
Comparing to the previous condition of the library, the new condition is much improved, peaceful and calm. With the help of AIMKANA, we renovated the library. It was whitewashed, new air conditioners were bought, new chairs were bought, and the carpet was changed. And I say thanks to AIMKANA for providing us this help.
AIMKANA also ensures better educational environment for all its teaching faculty and the students of Allama Iqbal Medical College. They have also provided 200 audio response systems to the college.
AIMKANA has done extremely wonderful projects for their alma mater, Allama Iqbal Medical College, and one of them was to donate a set of audience response system with 200 remote controls, which have been extremely useful when we conduct conferences and seminars. We wanted to utilize them for the students' education as well in the classes, but the shortcoming has been that we only have 200 of them, while most of the classes consist of about 300 or from 300 to 325 students. So I would strongly encourage my fellow colleagues to contribute towards that cause again.
Another appreciable service provided by AIMKANA was giving a brand new Suzuki Auto car to Muhammad Jawad Bhatti, a student of Allama Iqbal Medical College who is a severe polio affected student and spent a tough student life due to his illness. He has always been facing hardships in doing his studies due to the difficulty in mobility within and outside the campus premises. AIMKANA took a serious view upon his problem and donated him a car, spending extra fund to get the car equipped in accordance with his clipped legs.
मुझे बचपन में पोलियो हो गया था और मुझे जो है हॉस्टल से कॉलेज आने में बहुत ज़्यादा मसला होता था, तो मेरी इस मुश्किल को देखते हुए AIMKANA ने मुझे ये गाड़ी स्पॉन्सर की है, जिसकी वजह से मैं AIMKANA के तमाम मेंबर्स का बहुत ज़्यादा मशकूर हूँ और मैं मुस्तकबिल में एक अच्छा डॉक्टर बनकर इंशाल्लाह अपने कॉलेज को ज़रूर पे बैक करूँगा।
Not only Jawad Bhatti, but also many other Allama Iqbal Medical College students have become able to meet their educational needs more conveniently through the aid of AIMKANA in the form of financial scholarships of 106 in 2009 and 22 in 2010.
मुझे 30,000 रुपये का चेक मिला था AIMKANA की तरफ से, उससे मैंने अपनी हॉस्टल फ़ीस पे की और इस साल भी मुझे उम्मीद है कि इंशाल्लाह मुझे मिल जाएगा। इसकी वजह से मैं इंशाल्लाह अपनी कॉलेज की फ़ीस पे करूँगा।
मेरा नाम फराज सतार चौधरी है और मैं 3rd ईयर MBBS की स्टूडेंट हूँ और मैंने लास्ट ईयर भी यहाँ से स्कॉलरशिप लिया था AIMKANA का, जो कि मेरे लिए स्टडीज़ में बहुत हेल्पफुल था और मैं चाहूँगी कि तमाम नीडी स्टूडेंट्स को AIMKANA का स्कॉलरशिप थ्रू आउट ऑनवर्ड्स मिलना चाहिए।
Jinnah Public School is another example of AIMKANA's services for needy students. AIMKANA provided classroom furniture, books and winter blazers for the students of Jinnah Public School to improve facilities and the quality of education. The management, with the personal efforts of the present principal of AIMC, collaborated with a well-known and well-reputed chain of schools, namely Lakas.
We're looking up to AIMKANA members for their input in terms of the technical assistance, their advice and their help in planning and execution of the projects. And if we can somehow get on track with this concept that within available resources we can improve and we need to improve our output, then I think we'll be able to make a difference both in the college and in the society at large.
AIM Khana has been continuously working on its successful project, the Iqbalian House at the United States of America, which provides a comfortable and affordable accommodation to those hardworking doctors and students of Allama Iqbal Medical College who visit the United States of America to improve their educational skills and seek jobs. Housing accommodation is provided on a very low rent in this project. There is even an opportunity to pay the rent after getting your job. The methods used to promote social change are drawn substantially from the knowledge, value and skill based of social work practice, especially from group work, community organization, social planning, social administration and development. The Citizen Committee of AIM Khana was formed in March 2009 and had its first meeting under the chairmanship of Professor Dr. Javed Akram, who was then the principal of Allama Iqbal Medical College.
I think whatever I did during my time as principal Allama Iqbal Medical College, I owe it to AIM Khana. More than 24 projects were done very successfully and they are still doing wonderful job there. And I hope, and I'm sure you all do know, that there is a lot more to do. Whatever you have done, it's out of this world.
The current members of Citizen Committee who are working voluntarily are Chaudhry Nazir Ahmed, Mr. Muhammad Aslam Khan, the coordinator, Mr. Abid Rashid, Professor Dr. Mansab Ali, Mr. Suhail Varaj, and Mrs. Kokab Parveen.
On behalf of other members of AIM Khana Citizen Committee Lahore, I wish to convey that we all are trying our best to safeguard the interests of Iqbalians who are settled in North America. They contribute from their hard earnings for the benefit of mankind. I'll not do justice if I don't remember and mention the high degree devotion of our departed member of Citizen Committee, Brigadier Muhammad Akhtar, who was a real social worker and always was telling us to do more and more for the needy mankind, especially the students of Allama Iqbal Medical College and patients of Jinnah Hospital.
After the successful experiences of all these projects, AIM Khana seeks to provide even more welfare projects for the students and the patients of the Jinnah Hospital. Now there are various projects which are in the pipeline, such as the expansion of Jinnah Allama Iqbal Institute of Diabetes and Endocrinology, JADE 2, and the provision of more basic necessities for the students of Jinnah Public School. A chemo suite is also in the pipeline. Every individual member of AIM Khana is sincerely devoted to the organization and believes in self-help. They deliver their complete time and thoughts to the needy and deserving medical students and patients of Jinnah Hospital. God willingly, they will continue their efforts in this regard with the same spirit, but due to the continuous increase in the population of our country, the basic educational and the medical needs of students and patients have become even more distant. Although AIM Khana has managed to minimize most of the particular issues of the hospital at a very visible level, the hardships of medical students and the patients still need to be resolved at a more serious level, for which AIM Khana requires potential donors who could join hands with AIM Khana for the cause of serving humanity without seeking any personal interest. This is the basic objective of the Social Welfare Organization. For this reason, they also provide an online facility to the interested donors to become an active member of the AIM Khana and take part in the serving cause, making funds online.